Okay, so I'm just going to show you real quick how to just download a file from my site. So on this one, this is my free glass block SVG file that you'll see here. And this is how it is on all of my posts. Like I said, on different other sites that you're going to go to and find free files, they might have you enter an email to get them, or they might have the download slightly different than what I do. So mine is you'll come down here and I'll always have a download SVG file link, or sometimes it's a button that says download file. But what you need to do is just click on the link, and mine are saved in a Google Drive, so they will come up with Google. Sometimes if you're not signed into Google, it might make you sign into Google to get it, but that's your own personal Google account. And mine also will come up and they look blurry, and that's just something with the pixelation of the SVG file showing on here. But once you download them, that totally clears up, so no need to worry about that. But when mine pops up, again, it's going to depend on your software on your computer. I am on a PC laptop, but this is what all my laptops have always used. This just pops up right away, and up here is my download button. So I just click on that, and my computer is also set to show me things that are downloaded down here on a toolbar. But yours might not be like that, so you might not see that right away. So that is fine. It will download to whatever you have selected to be where all your downloads go. Usually it's just your download folder. So now when I go into Cricut Design Space, let's make this bigger. I'm gonna go into my new project, and over here on your left side, you have all of your tools here, and the bottom one is upload. So I'm gonna click on upload, and then I'm gonna come onto this one, the upload image, and then I click browse. You can also drag and drop your file here, but I always just click browse. And then I'm going to go in and make sure I'm in my download section, because that's where everything is. And right here, mine goes chronologically. So the last thing I have downloaded shows up first. So I'm going to click on the love quotes, press open, and that automatically comes up. And you'll see it has that checkered background, and that means there's nothing to get rid of. It's already totally ready to use because it's an SVG file. You can rename it here if you want. And then you click on save on the right lower corner, and then just click on it when this screen comes up and click on insert images, and now it is here on your canvas. And this one actually had 2 on it. Most of mine don't, but all you need to do is ungroup this, and then you can move these apart, delete one off if you don't want to use it. But anyway, that's how you download and upload a file into Cricut Design Space.